Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about how to transfer your email list from Aweber over to Getresponse. The a sales funnel that I'm using to promote the main business opportunity in the funnel, they changed autoresponders, email autoresponders from Aweber to Getresponse. So a lot of people have been asking, how do I transfer my email list over to Getresponse? So this is what this video is all about. Now, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, click the bell icon next to it. Okay? Now, right here in Aweber, under their knowledge base and account management, they do have a video that shows you how to back up your messages, your broadcast messages, your follow-up emails, and your subscriber list. Okay, so they have a video on that, but they also have step-by-step instructions, which I'll go over real quick here. Now, when you log into Aweber, at the top it has Manage Lists. You want to click on Manage Lists, and then you'll be taken to a screen that will show your current email list. And at the top in the right hand corner, it has Create a List, and below that, Backup and Export All Active Lists. You want to click on Backup and Export All Active Lists. After you do that, you'll get a message saying that you're going to get a zip file, a single zip file containing all of your subscribers, messages, and broadcast emails from all of your lists associated with your account. Now, when your backup is ready, they will send an email to you, and the email address they'll send it to is the one that is associated with your Aweber account. So it'll show your email address there, send the email to, and then just click Create a Backup. Okay? Once that's done, later you will receive an email from Aweber, and this is what the email looks like. It says your backup is ready for download. Okay, and then it will say click here to retrieve your backup. You click on this link, it'll take you back to your account, and then all you do is go back to Manage Lists. Okay, and then you click on Backup and Export All Active Lists again. Once you do that, this message will come up saying that your backup is ready. Click the button below to download, and this is the zip file. It'll be a zip file, so you just click on it to download it to your computer. Now the zip file, it will remain available for download for 2 weeks, but after 2 weeks they'll delete it. Okay, it gets automatically deleted. So if you haven't downloaded your zip file within 2 weeks, then you're going to have to request another backup. Okay, now once that is downloaded onto your computer, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, we'll go all the way back here. Okay, here I have where it says Aweber Backup. Double click on that. Double click on that, and these are the 3 email lists that I had. I didn't really have any subscribers in these, but this was my main email list. You double click on that, and this you'll have a copy of your broadcast messages, your follow-up emails, and your leads, your subscribers. This is what you want. So you double click on that, and they have active leads and inactive leads. You want the active leads. So what you'll want to do is click on it, okay, and then right click, copy, click on copy, okay, and then go over to your desktop. Let me copy it real quick. Go over to your desktop, and I'll just click right click anywhere on your desktop and click paste. Okay, I already had a copy of this already. Let me show it to you. Here it is. So it's going to look like that. Alright. Now once you've done that, you're finished with Aweber. Next, you want to log into your Getresponse account. And when you log in, you end up at the dashboard here. You want to click on Contacts. And then on the right hand side, it says add contacts. Now as you can see, I have several email lists here, and this is my main email list. And what you want to do is click on add contacts. It's going to ask you to select the list you want your contacts to be added to. So I would select this one. Now it also has, do you want to add them to your autoresponder cycle? Since these are leads that have pretty much already gone through the email, through the follow-up sequence, I'm not going to click on that. But if you want them to be added to your follow-up sequence, your autoresponder, you just click on that, okay? Next is, how do you want to add contacts? You can add your contacts one by one manually. I would only advise you to do that if you have a very, very short list, like just a handful of people. But what you want to do is click on upload a file using external service or paste rows. You have a file, it's a CSV file that we just added to, downloaded and added a copy of it to our desktop, okay? So you click on upload a file. Now import contacts. Upload file is selected here. You can drag and drop the file, or you can choose the file. So in order to choose the file, you just click on here, and let me go up to desktop, click on active leads, and click open. I'm not going to do that because I've already done this before, okay? So after that, what should we do with contact information? Keep it at add and update existing. And then you want to make sure this is checked off. I have permission to add these people to my list, okay? Because they were already on your list in Aweber, so you're just putting them on your new list over in Getresponse. You're just switching autoresponders, okay? So make sure that's checked off, and then click next. Now, when you click on next, you'll be taken to a page where it will show the progress of your subscribers being added to your list. Okay, it may take a while depending on how large your list is. Once that's done, then you will see all of the subscribers that have been added to your new list inside of Getresponse. Now, some of those subscribers may get rejected and they will not be added to your list. Don't try to re-upload those particular subscribers again, because they've been rejected for a reason. Either there was something wrong with their IP address, or maybe they put in a fake email address, and in order to get more information about your offer, it could be several things. But don't try to add those rejected subscribers onto your new list. Okay, that will cause problems for your account. Okay, so whatever subscribers are added to your list, they've successfully been uploaded to your list, those are the ones that you need to concentrate on. Forget about the rejected ones. Okay, so that's basically how you make a backup copy of your subscribers in Aweber and then import them into your new Getresponse list. Okay, and if you have any questions about how this all works, just leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're interested in the business that I'm doing and also the sales funnel that I'm using to promote my business, go ahead and click the very first link below this video. And I'll also leave a link to Getresponse in case you want to open up your own Getresponse email autoresponder account. Okay, so go ahead and click those links. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.